My friends and I were traveling down Hole in the Rock Road south of Escalante, Utah, and all of a sudden this guy flies by me. The road is horribly washboarded for most of it. This part wasn't as bad, but he kept flying even when it got worse again. I didn't know what to think. Maybe it's Whistling Diesel out west trying to thrash a Rivian. I just had no clue who would be flying by. We don't ever get past, so it was pretty strange.
That's funny. Dust is finally cleared. Oh my gosh. Then I get blitzed by a Rivian. That's probably doing 60, 70.
So towards the end of the trail, the road got quite a bit rougher, or for cars anyway. So the Rivian had to slow down some, and we caught back up to him. The other guys passed him, but I wanted to stay behind a little ways so he wouldn't slow down and let me go by, just so I could get him on tape, so you could see how the Rivian handles this stuff. Anyway, enjoy.
So, we caught the Rivian. Sit back here and watch him a little bit.
Okay, finally getting close now. We can see who this daredevil is. Some YouTube celebrity, just thrashes vehicles. Just about to be revealed. Oh, it's Grandma and Grandpa. Unbelievable. So it was this couple. It had to be in their 70s, just out shaking down their Rivian before the big trail tomorrow. They said they wanted to see what it was capable of. Crazy. I think the lady's complaint was it didn't have bump stops, so it wasn't up to snuff. Anyway, you never know what you're going to see out in the desert. Till next time.